1. Which sort of color harmony is defined by combinations of 3 to 5 colors on the color wheel that are adjacent to one another? A. Monochromatic. B. Analogous. C. Triadic. D. Double complementary. Two. The decibel, dB scale measures. A. Sound. B. Natural light. C. Building materials. D. Water weight. Three. What is evaluated by the STC, sound transmission class? A. The acoustical quality. B. The flame resistance. C. The structural limit. D. The light refraction. Four. Please tick the term that represents a horizontal part that is placed over a huge aperture to support the weight above in the construction of a wall. A. Beam. B. Stud. C. Lintel. D. Keystone. Five. Please tick the term that represents the strips that are put to a wall or ceiling to allow for the application of other materials. A. Furring. B. Girders. C. Lattice. D. Shims. Six. When joining adjacent windows, please use the following terms to describe the horizontal or vertical members that separate the glass surfaces. A. Flashing. B. Mullion. C. Muntin. D. Jam. Seven. In terms of interior space planning, what does exit mean? A. Exit doors, elevators, exits through large rooms, vertical exits, hallways. B. Building tunnels, exit halls, balconies, roof access panels. C. Exit doors, windows, vertical passages, ramps, corridors. D. Exterior exit doors, exit stairs, exit ramps, exit passageways, horizontal exits. 8. When a concrete slab is supported directly by the ground, what is the least thickness that can be used? A. 4 inches. B. 2 inches. C. 3 inches. D. 6 inches. 9. Please check the box next to the description that defines a thin set setup. A. Tile that is set with organic mastic over green board. B. Setting tile in an adhesive made from cement, fine sand and other chemicals that are not typically greater than 3/16 inch thick. C. Setting tile in a mud bed over a thin plywood base. D. Tile that is set in a mortar base that is 3/4 inch to 1 thick. 10. What is the most significant aspect of noise control in interior design? A. Occupancy load. B. Shape of the room. C. Ceiling height. D. Surface materials. (11) Please tick the word that best describes the vertical members that hold the header in place during construction. A. Jamb. B. Joist. C. Jack studs. D. Beams. (12) What is the purpose of a fluorescent fixture's ballast? A. To internal link to combine fixtures. B. To supply electricity to the fixture. C. To start voltage and operate current. D. To provide rapid start. (13) The aim of subflooring is to A. The drywall layer underneath vinyl flooring so there is a smooth finish to work with. B. The cushion layer for carpeting when it's laid over concrete. C. The non-structural material that lays under the flooring as a vapor bearer to the outside elements. D. The structural material that spans across floor joists and a base for finished flooring. (14) Please choose the best of the following standpipe system descriptions. A. A secondary fire suppression system. B. A dry chemical extinguishing system. C. A standby alarm system. D. Piping and valves for use as a fire protection system. (15) What is the name of the instrument used to measure the humidity in the air? A. Psychrometer. B. Vaporizer. C. Humidifier. D. Homeostatic chromometer. (16) Please check the box next to the statement that will help with drainage. A. Grade the lot so the drainage is away from the house. B. Grade the lot so the land slopes toward the house. C. Use wide roof overhangs. D. Connect downspouts to footing drains. (17) Please mark the most important consideration when determining the depth of a footing. A. The distance of the ground to the rock surface below. B. The depth of the frost line. C. The weight of the foundation. D. The ambient temperature of the footings at the time of installation. (18) Please mark one of the following options as open grain hardwood. A. Walnut. B. Red alder. C. Maple. D. Cherry. (19) Please identify the main structure, which includes steel I-beams, angles, and channels, among other things. A. ICF construction. B. Wood frame construction. C. Modular construction. D. Structural steel construction. (20) What is the definition of a suspended ceiling? A. A finished ceiling hung from the overhead by a series of wires. B. panels that are directly glued to the ceiling for texture. C. A series of beams and panels that make up a ceiling system. D. A series of soffits that surround a room. (21) Please mark the correct POE, post-occupancy evaluation description. A. It is the evaluation of the architect, designer, subcontractors and contractor on how the project performed. B. Focuses only on the structure of a building and how it is settling and normally not the interior finishes. C. Involves the evaluation of the opinions of the people that use the building and how well the building matches the user's needs. It identifies ways to improve performance and building design. D. It is typically conducted within the first 3 months for the contract to fix any problems that may arise after moving in. (22) Please tick the term that defines the form that the supplier fills out in a shipment to identify the amount, contents or description, destination, weight of items, and carrier. A. Invoice. B. Purchase order. C. Shipping transmittal. D. Bill of lading. (23) Please mark the recommended fastening method for hanging cabinets built with a wood frame. A. Screws. B. Nails. C. Fasteners. D. Clips. (24) What is the name of a document that is typically completed at the conclusion of a project and identifies defects that the contractor must address? A. Punch list. B. Complaint form. C. Discrepancy order. D. Work order. (25) Please tick the term that best represents the circumstance when a bank project incurs more expenses than anticipated. A. Cost management. B. Cost overrun. C. Cost forecasting. D. Cost performance index. Interior design practice test. Interior design creates functional, safe, and aesthetically pleasing spaces that meet human needs. It blends creativity and technology to enhance well-being. This field shapes how people experience their surroundings. Key steps to pursuing interior design. Pursue a degree or diploma in interior design. Develop both soft skills, communication, creativity, and hard skills, technical design. Master design tools and software for effective visualization. Access helpful study resources like interior design books and guides. Take free interior design tests to improve knowledge.